peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on 5.1 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 1. This question gives us an advertisement and we need to deduce some data from it, and it does deal with a little bit of financial maths as well. So it says an advertisement on a website showing a second-hand farming equipment lists the following details. So it's a 1999 John Deere 7810, and it's saying that the price excluding VAT is 44,000 euros, and the price including VAT is 53,680 euros. And it's given us the conversion here into rands as well, and the number of hours worked, and then this advert is on January 2014. So the first question, write down the date when this advert was posted. So it says the date here is January 2014, that's when it was posted. Don't write down the 1999 because that's the year that the tractor was made. So for 5.1.1, the answer is January 2014. Next one, if the tractor was bought in January 1999, determine how many years it was in service until the date of the advertisement. So for 5.1.2, so the year it's advertised and the year that it was bought is a difference. We need to calculate the difference. They were both bought on the same month, so we just have to take the years into consideration. So it's going to be 2014 minus 19, so 1,999. And in your calculators, this comes to 15 years. And that's your answer for 5.1.2. Then says the advertisement states that the tractor worked 4,500 hours. Determine the average number of hours that the tractor worked per year. So for 5.1.3, the average is your total divided by the hours. So average is going to equal, they said the total, you can read off the total number of hours worked is 4,500. So it's going to be 4,500 divided by the number of years it was. So they said it's worked for 15 years, or rather we just calculated that in the previous question. So if we put 4,500 divided by 15, it comes to 300 hours per year. So the answer is 300 hours per year. Then says, if the tractor continued to work for an average number of hours per year, what would the total number of hours be in January 2017? So it's again January, so we don't have to take the month into consideration, but for 5.1.4, we'll need to find how many years we've added. So it's from 2017 minus the 2014. You can actually do this one in your head because it's 3 years. So if it's working at an average of 300 hours per year, which we've just calculated over here, we need to then find out after 3 more years how many more hours would it have worked. So after 3 years, it's going to have worked the 300 hours per year times by 3, which equals 900 hours. Therefore, they want us to find out the total hours by 2017, and that's going to be, so remember in the previous 15 years it had worked 4,500 hours plus the additional 900 hours for the next 3 years. So this is going to equal 5,400 hours. And then finally for 5.1.5, they're asking us, so they say the advertisement shows the price in euros and in South African rands. So determine the exchange rate of €1 to rands. So as they say, they've included, so the excluding VAT price in rands is this 624,360. So we need to also then keep it consistent by using the same price in euros, but the excluding VAT, because this is excluding and this is excluding to make this calculation. So we know then that the euros, 44,000 is converting in a scale, so in rands gets converted to 624,360. So now we need to find out what €1 is in equal to rand. So if we divide both sides by 40,000, the left hand side is going to be 1. So we need to divide both sides by 40,000. So then therefore, so obviously this over here, so 44,000, sorry, the wrong tool there, the 44,000, this is going to come down to €1 because 44,000 over 44,000 is 1. So that means that €1 is going to equal, and then in your calculators, put this 224,360 and divide it by 44,000, and that's going to give you your exchange rate. So this is going to equal 14,19. So that's, and we just round it down to 14,19 because it needs to be in rands and cents, and we know that rands, that cents is 2 decimal places. So this is the exchange rate. So €1 equals 14,19 rands. And that concludes question 5.1. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our Epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these Epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.